Hey, why don't we stick with the college theme and grab me a Bowman Best?
That's hard.
Heisman Mendoza.
That's hard.
That's from my nephew Nico's. That's his buddy.
Oh, no glaze. That's hard.
That's his buddy. No glaze, you should have said, but I still got to say it. Because when we met him, he was cool. So I'm trying to get all his stuff. All I want is one. It's the orange back there. Gunnar Stockton. Miller Moss. Malik Murphy. Avery Johnson. It's not numbered. Bowman the best.
Workhorse.
Look who comes on the top. There you go, Nando. Now I just need an auto, bruh. Just need an auto. Come on, go fish for the bigger card. Coy Eakin. Making the grade. Joey Aguilar. This is Bryant Wesco Jr. Ohio State. I don't want Ohio State. Nothing good. I think I'm going to start throwing all the Ohio State guys. Go blue! Indiana! Go Indiana! Oh, it's Oklahoma? Even worse. I didn't even... What are you going to do? Look who's on the thing again.
Mendoza.
What's up, Nando?
Then you got $40 credit.
Keldrick Falk. Lance Sellers. Caden Salter. Whatever. All right, last pack. Last pack, Magic. Let's see what we got. Let's pull these. Jonah Coleman. Wyatt Weeks, TJ Walker, Anthony Rogers, Brendan Sorsby.
Hey, Frazier. We good? Hey, Frazier on it. Georgia.
Not what I was looking for, but I got a couple Fernando Mendoza, Mr. Heisman Mendoza to you. And we'll be back in it again for some more goodies.